we're gonna do the squishy collection.
Yeah.
And we do combine our collection, but some of them we better. But so here is the squishy box. It's so big.
It's so big.
And it has an ink dot up here.
Sorry, it's about bigger. And as you know, we are Chinese, and
yeah.
So the first thing
we have a lot of squishies.
So we have to choose random ones
and show you guys. So let's just get started.
Okay, I'll start first, right? So just first, my favorite one is this. I don't know.
Take too long.
Bredo squishy. Okay, I think you bring the things right in here.
And the back of us.
Yeah. And my favorite squishy is this Rolly Toast squishy, and it's so big and it's Bredo. I love the brand Bredo because it's bread.
And here's the
although I hate bread, but I love bread in Minecraft anyway. So it's about the Bredo story there, and then it's like
too long.
And it's so squishy. I mean, it's like squishy look.
It takes so humble. One squishy took 1 minute, bro. Okay. Next is this Let's Try squishy, and it's like a not too squishy. It has a dust pot and it has a tag, and it's Nick. It's Nick squishy. See how camera is like this. But
yeah. And next, my favorite one is this Nyan Cat float.
It's actually donut. I don't call it float.
I call it a float because it's like a float, and it's kind of squishy. Kind of squishy, it's good. Because there's air inside, I can't even squish it properly.
How about you open this?
Just squish like that.
But anyway, next squishy is this real donut, and I got this design.
Yeah, she bought it a few days ago.
Yeah.
I mean a few weeks.
I got 2 tag squishies. It's so squishy. It's so airy.
Next, my favorite one.
And here's a tag right here.
Real donut. Real
donut. Squeeze, and it has 16 dots.
And next I got is this cat. PC face cat. Dirty face cat face. And it's really squishy. Look. Really squishy. And it's overshaped.
What are you talking about overshaped? Okay, next is this squishy I made. Homemade! And not homemade. This is a random donut, but I attached a tag and a chain. So there's the tag which I put. And here is the charm, and it's so squishy. So squishy.
Next, my favorite squishy is this, which is the
Taiyaki squishy.
I'm a Tokyo squishy SD.
It's not Tokyo, it's so squishy.
Yeah, and yes, a tag. I don't know what the. It's not really a proper tag, but it's so squishy. So squishy. Look at how squishy this is.
Next is this cat cracker squishy. And this one.
Next is this little Kuma mushroom squishy. I don't really know most of them, but yeah, like this. So squishy. So I mean not really squishy, but it's just bouncy.
I have another one of these. I put in a squishy experiment. So these 2 squishies. This is the fake one. This is the real one. It's done
fake. Anyways, next I like this high chow squishy. Loads of air in. And I can't really show you the squishiness, but yeah, because the air is squishing too. So yeah, not really squishy.
Next is this Dabrisco.
And by the way, please check out previous video.
We did 3 videos yesterday, so it's
and I did not post up the pixel gun video, and yeah.
Here is the
I think I deleted before I posted.
And
it's fake tag.
The fake tag. But this is licensed. This is licensed by Lou.
I don't know whether you can see it, but wow.
Next
is this cola thing, and there's the thing I don't know how to. But I don't know how to like see.
It's licensed. It's licensed.
And it's made in China,
whatever
and it's
licensed
hard.
It's
really hard. It's really hard. I can't squish it.
This is this fake squishy, and it has a fake tag attached to it. I just bought anything. I have to just cut this. I found this too bored. So this is so squishy. And it has this tag, which is so random. It's so huge. Not the barcode, like all tags do it. But
really
this
huge.
open.
No, it's really huge. It's like the size of my palm.
But then it opens. It has this, but it is a cat.
Next is this Kit Kat squishy, also known as chocolate bar squishy, and this is actually a fake license. It's actually my pen, and there's like license barcode thing, and then she tear it out and she paste it in.
Yes, it's too boring.
And it's pretty squishy.
So I need air it.
Oh my god, the air!
So this has a hole in it.
I bought it for her.
It's a hole right here.
I bought it for her.
It's squishy.
I bought it for her, right?
Yep. I got it. In this package.
Next is this, I don't know, a chicken with a chef bun squishy, and I mean chicken with a chef bun. I mean a chicken with a
Akiratori. I mean
Akiratori
Akiratori chef bun.
It's fake bun. It's not really squishy.
One of the squishy we pick for the guess what squishy. Look at this mushroom.
Yeah, I found it, and then my sister said, "Oh, I want it."
Oh, I found it.
Oh yeah, I think. And next is this panda squishy, and this is a fake plastic bag. It's a real common one, so it's fake. Because she used to have like another one.
No, this is the real one.
Are you sure?
And this one gave me it in this package.
Okay. Whatever. And yeah, it's pretty hard.
Okay, next is this donut. It has the stocking strap. And this is kind of weird. It's licensed by numbers. And this is not bad. And it's licensed by numbers. Not the glare. It's the lights in it. This is squishy.
Next is this vegetable family.
Banana. And bananas and nuts.
Vegetable.
Vegetables.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
It's not a lie. It's just customized.
It's lie.
It's not a lie. It doesn't mean...
It's a fruit, not a vegetable.
Yeah, who cares?
Okay, it's very squishy, but it's not very squishy. Look. Wait, pretty squishy. Look at this. Look at how slow right.
7 minutes. Okay, next is this one. Squishy. That's this thing.
Next is this. Roller
Faster. Quick, faster.
This thing.
Look at my toes. Look at my big fancy toes. It's squishy.
Really squishy. The air is blocking the squishiness.
This is the sentimental circus biscuit pancake.
It's really hard. Hard and squishy.
It's not a hard squishy.
Treat it as a hard squishy. This is the Stitch squishy, and this is
a Steve Stop right next one.
And it's really squishy.
And I realized that the ears are getting pinker.
It's actually supposed to be white, but it's white.
And this is licensed ear like squishy thing. And it's licensed. Sorry about the glare. You're bad. Look at the glares.
Next is this yellow macaroon. Hello Kitty. And this macaroon. You can see it, and it's squishy. Whoa! It's really squishy. I don't know why, but I love squishy. I mean, I hate it.
This. I have the white feeling one. I believe Rainovitz or someone has the pink feeling one. And his tag and his license.
Next is this waffles. Hashtag waffles.
Waffle.
Squishy. And it's a
mirror.
mirror. I don't want you to. I don't want to show the mirror because it's kind of
It's in the pack.
It's not really squishy.
It's so squishy.
It's not.
It's a blind.
No.
Next is this Omo macaron in this packaging. It's the back. It's licensed. Glare. Oh my goodness. It's so squishy. It's glass.
Don't do it, man. I'm dying. Okay, my turn. My turn. And this is like a really common sandwich with jam. But the jam is plastic, so it's squishy. It's pretty squishy. Yeah.
Next is
We got a clip for the video stop. Yeah.
Okay, I can see.
Next is this. I don't know a barcode. It's a bun. I mean, yeah,
it's
bun.
a dim sum. Mini dim sum. This mini.
Well, it's very hot.
It's not hard.
Oh.
It's squishy. Next is another one of these, which was inside. That's what squishy. And
Wait,
after
just
that,
show a few more, and this is the last one of mine, which is this kind of bag. And yeah, that's it.
this one,
Am I right?
no, it's not.
Well, before the video is gonna spoil, I mean it's
This
gonna,
is this one.
gonna end.
Squishy.
And
I
yeah.
squished a lot.
Next, for my last one, I'll choose the macaron bite, which is the Hello Kitty squishy macaroon.
It's either one of these squishies, but he don't really like squishies now, so he decided to give it to me.
And yeah, the
He's
last
gonna go
one.
away. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Next is the Slenderman Huggy Marshmallow.
Well, in case if the video stops, I'm gonna say thank you guys for watching. And please subscribe, like and comment, and
Subscribe.
please comment because we really want comments. Well, yeah. And bye. We're gonna show you a little bit of demo right here for the rest of the squishy we did show. And thank you guys for watching. And